Well, I just got my teeth done. And, you know, having inflammatory bowel disease and all the treatment that goes along with it, and possibly having Sjogren's, which is a drying disease, I really have to stay on top of my teeth. Now, I don't wear the partials that I was given. I don't absolutely need them. They would probably make chewing a lot better, but I've just never been able to really get used to them, and it's a real struggle. So I'm hoping, now that I have a newer dentist, just started seeing them last year or 2 years ago, I think. And one of my girlfriends from Bible study that I was involved with a few years back is also my hygienist now, so that's really cool. So we get to connect and laugh, and that's totally cool, because you know I'm all about community. But I just wanted to say, you know, if you're having teeth trouble, if you have trouble with dehydration, whether or not you're on medicine or you're also an IBD or inflammatory bowel disease, which can have malnourishing effects on your body, it can be really rough, not just on your bones. And I do have early osteoporosis and osteopenia in the areas that are not osteoporosis. So all of those things together can really do a number on your teeth. Find a good dentist. Do what you can to find a good dentist. That is my unsolicited advice, because I went too many years just thinking this is going to be my lot. And they really do help me stay on top of it. And because of my conditions, I could leave here today and feel wonderful and a tooth might break. I pray it doesn't, but that is just part of my reality with the disease I have, disease I possibly have, with the treatment I've had, with the history I've had. It's just part of my bones. But there are things that we can do. We are not victims. I'm not a victim. You're not a victim. Unless I choose to be, which I don't. Which means I do everything I possibly can to fight against these effects. And part of that is walking and having some weight on the bones. Also, part of that is making sure that I am getting the proper nutrition and electrolytes, even if I can't tolerate certain vegetables and foods because of stoma stuff. I can still take supplements. And for me, my most absorbing supplementation is either in a gummy form, which I try not to do a lot of, because even though they taste good, they're loaded with sugar, except one apple cider vinegar one that I did find that actually, I think it was sweetened with stevia or something else, but it wasn't sugar. Most of the supplements that are gummies or chewables are going to have sugar in them. Almost counterproductive in a lot of ways. But then there's liquid, also there's sprays. I like getting a lot of the supplementation in a protein shake. It's a plant protein shake, so that helps me too. All to say, we need our teeth, and I'm doing the best I can to save mine. I'm way too young to be having these teeth issues, but I know why. So once I know why, then I can hopefully do something about it, and that's what I'm trying to do. And I just wanted to come on here and say there are things we can do, but sometimes we run into a situation where we just have to have an extraction, or we just have to have a root canal and save a tooth, or we just have to have a crown. I've got 2 crowns now, but those 2 crowns make it so that I don't necessarily have to have my partial in. We'll see how long that lasts, but for now, it's working. And as long as I keep my appointments for my cleanings and my x-rays, we'll be able to stay on top of anything that might happen, but hopefully it won't. I pray it won't. I pray that we're on a good track now, that I'm not on any medicine that could be depleting my body. I did go through a bout of possible dehydration this week, and I'll share more about that in another video. But let's take care of our teeth as best we can. And if you can't find a good dentist, or you don't have dental insurance, there are schools in the major cities that I used to go to when I was younger to save money. When I was in Boston, I went to Tufts Medical Center. They have their own veterinary. They have veterinary, but they have their own dental school. Boston University had their own dental school. Look in your larger cities and see if there are dental schools. Also, if you don't have the funds for it, contact your local county offices, because they may have charitable organizations that have dentists or dental clinics that happen, and those kind of things you got to know about in advance. Maybe sign up for. You might have to wait in line or something, or they might have it in a gymnasium somewhere. There are some opportunities to be able to get your oral health under control. And I hate to say it, but sometimes pulling a tooth actually gives you a healthier mouth. And I hate to lose teeth, but I've been in that situation too. If it's dental, pretty much short of having all of these taken out and doing a full dental, yeah, I've been there. I've seen it. And my gums are healthy. That wasn't always the case. So it is possible. It really is possible. So I pray the best for you. I pray you have a blessed day, and take care of you. It's your body. It's your temple. It's the one that you have been given to manage and take care of. And you can do it. You really can do it. Reach out if you need any comments or questions. We're here. There's a whole community here. And I'm grateful that you're in my community.